This is Professor Phillips, and I see that you submitted your documents to me, and I'm sorry I didn't see them. I think I recorded late, or this recorded really late, so I just want to give you feedback so that you can get full as many points as possible on your Part 2 and Part 3 of your educational plan. So I see that you're gonna planning to transfer in the fall, so you're almost done. So that's congratulations on that. You're at that Math 150 level if you haven't already passed it. You're at that English 1C if you haven't already passed that. You're gonna go to Dominguez, and you want to go for sociology. You have no AP credits there, and then your transcripts. Pull those up, and I see you have pretty much this semester, right? And it's fall 2018. So it looks like you should be about, ready to go. So this educational plan should be really short. So let's look at the document here. So your transfer major courses are going to be here, and your CSU courses are going to be on this side of the sheet. So these letters correspond with the catalog general education. So in the catalog on page, is it 79? Yeah. Those categories are listed right here, like area A, 1, 2, and 3. This one is usually speech. Number 2 is usually English 1A. Number 3 is usually English 1C. So that's how you fill this out. If you haven't already well, you're gonna do something in each category there listed from the catalog. So we'll list those like that, right? Now the transfer major sheet for sociology, let me see, you have it here. No, oh, this is not a transfer major sheet. Okay, so let me go get the transfer major sheet. Here it is, sociology. And then you're looking at these courses here, the required courses, 19 units for the AAT. So it's going to be about 6 courses. So you have Soc 101, so that goes right here. Soc 101, whoops, Soc 101. It is late, I can't even type. There we go. Okay, Soc 101, and then you have Soc 104, and then statistics. So we'll write that down as well. Soc 104, and then Soc 109A, which is statistics. It's also Math 150. It's one or the other, not both. And then 2 courses from this list here. So we can, and those are sociology courses. So we could put Soc and Soc, Soc and Soc, and then 1 course from Anthro, American Studies, Psych 12, 16, or another social course. So we'll put an asterisk there. We'll try to look at your transcript, see which one you took. And then you said that you wanted to go to Dominguez Hills. And so for Dominguez Hills, they have not listed any additional courses, right? So basically, in the catalog, what you'll see is that the area B, 1 and 2 are your sciences, 3 is the laboratory, and 4 is the math. So for example, B4, it looks like you did the math 150, so we could just put that there. Same thing as Soc 109. And then C1, you pick 1 from C1, 1 from C2, and 1 more from either one. So we can look at your transcripts and see which courses that you've taken. Area D, you basically need 9 semester units. So your sociology classes are going to count in Area D. And so we can double count those. So you have the Soc 101 and 104. We can count Soc 101. We're not going to count the units again. And Soc 104. And we're not going to count those units either. We're also not going to count math twice either. And then a third class from, area D, you can choose anything. People do like usually history 101 or political science. We'll look at your transcripts to see what you have there. And then area E, you're in HD 110 right now, 3 units, right? And basically that would finish off your CSU general education and then your major classes. So you have to look up in the catalog the amount of units for each class and total it, and then you look up the amount of units for these classes as well and total it, and then you put the prerequisites for the classes in each category all the way down. So it looks like you are at the 150 level, and then the 1A, and then the 1C level for math and English, so that's fine there. And then what you do here is you put your GE total units, general education units. You put them right here. Your major units, they go right here, and it totals out. If you don't reach 60, then you would need elective units to get to 60 transferable units. So now let's look at your transcripts and see what we can pull from them so that you are meeting all of these requirements. So I see that you're in Psych 5, so we can put that down. That's your Area D course, Psych 5. And let's see what else we have here. We have Soc 112. And so, oops, let me double check again for the options here. Soc 112 right there. So that's one of your two courses. So this is going to be Soc 112. And then PE is an elective, Humanities 1. So that is our Humanities course here, Humanities 1. Oops. Humanities 1. Oops. Jesus. It is so late. I can't even type. That's funny. Okay, transcripts. Here we go. Dance 101. That is in C1 class. So Dance 101. And then History 102. Very good. That can be your last class here. History 102. And then we're just looking for some science courses. And Soc 107. So that is going to be your second class here. So we could put that down right here, Soc 107. And then science classes, Chem 20. So Chem 20 has the laboratory because it's 5 units, so that's good. Chemistry is I want to say it's B1. Chemistry 20. Yes, it's B1. So we will put Chem 20. And then we'll put it here as well because it's the lab as well. And then we're just looking for that B2 class. And let me see. English, English, math, search, math, history, English, math, speech, Anthro 1. Anthro 1 is right there. So that's the B2. Okay, so now you have all the classes in the right areas. And, oh, we still need one more here. Let's see. This was one course from down here. So let's take a look at your transcript, try to find a course for that. Let's see. What do we have? Search 1, 4, 1, 7, 12, 12. Okay, let me look one by one at these sociology courses. So it's 108, 110, 113, 115, or 118. Course like 12 or 16. Let's see here. Oops, let's see. 101, 102, 107, 104, 112. 104, 107, 112. Huh, it looks like you might need, I don't want to say you need one more if you don't need it though. Oh, you have the 102 here. That's probably what it is, right? Let me double check. 102, right there. Okay, so I see what happened. Oops, why do I keep opening this? So you have the 102 up here, and then the 106, but no, those are all up here. This says 2 courses from here, but I'm not seeing the one from down here. Okay, unless I'm missing it, you're still going to need one course from this bottom section. So that could be one of your choice, unless it's just late and I'm missing something on your transcripts. No, I don't see it. Oh wait, Women's Studies. Is that it? Oh my goodness. There it is. Okay. Whew, good. Alright, Women's Studies it is. Women's Studies. Sorry about that. Alright, so put the units down, put any prerequisites down, and then add up your total units down here. That's part 2. So that's what you'll resubmit because the form that you had filled out before, the classes were in the wrong areas and whatnot. Now, part 3 is really easy for you because you are basically done. You're going to fill out your fall 2018 semester units here in this first semester, type in your major, and that should be it. What you usually do is you cross off everything that you've already taken. So like, for example, you've already taken math, so you cross that off, right? And you go down basically one by one and cross everything off. And then anything left over goes in your fall 2018 semester, and then you can cross those classes off, and everything should be crossed off on your planning sheet when you're all done, right? So, and that will be it. So resubmit the link for the page 3 submission, and then you would get those points as well. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm sorry, it's late and my brain is like not working so well. All right, take care. I'm always here to answer your questions. All right, bye.